Do you have these glass Pyrex containers at home? You know what I've been doing lately? I've been putting them upside down so I can see them. Cucumber, chicken. I'm really visual, and as long as there's no liquid in it, so far it's been fine. I started doing this a couple weeks ago, and I really like it. Time for an experiment. Upside down Pyrex, but you cannot stack them. Valid. Time to try it out. I have 3 different shapes here lined up. I've cleared my top shelf to do an experiment. Let's see how well they stack. Now remember, we're not doing this for heavy stuff or sauce. I don't think Pyrex is designed to do this. So let's try this one out. I'm just gonna bump it a little bit. Okay, there's a little wiggle there. That's onions and carrots, and these are empty. Ooh, those are better. Okay, the rectangle ones are better. Okay, let's see how they wiggle regular ways. Okay, well, I think the right way up is definitely better because it has a little ridge here and it keeps it from sliding off. However, if this stuff is down low and it's flipped upside down, I can see it, especially if there's something light inside. Happy organizing.